This is Code.org, and we're going to keep going. This point, we finally get to add our text. So, I have an excellent joke that I will be adding. Wait for it, wait for it. What do planets like to read? Comet books. Comet? Ba-dum-ching. Alright, so I need to get this added. I'm sure you're still laughing, so I'll pause. Okay, I think that's sufficient. Now, I'm going to throw this down here, and let me grab my joke and copy and paste it. Boom, and the response. Let's see where that gets drawn, though. Way up there in the corner, so we're going to change that in a moment. Let me get the other part, though. And they're overlapping. Okay, so I'm thinking this dude will say the joke, and this dude will say the answer. So this needs to be around there. Let me see. I'm going to try 60x 120y. Perfect. And then the answer, I'm going to try 300x 25y. Actually, maybe I'll do... move it over. Great. And I want to change the text size, so make sure if you're doing this as well, you have to put the size before the text, because the computer runs in order. So I need to tell it what size I want before it starts drawing the text. If I put it here, it will draw this default size, hit this, and this will be the different size. So let's say 25 here. Only one of them is going to be that large, which is way too large. Let's try 18. I like that. And then finally, the color. So right now it's orange because that was my last fill color. The last thing I told it was fill orange. So it still has that orange paint, quote unquote, out. So I'm going to actually change that. Ooh, yellow's what I wanted. To yellow. Cool. I got my text added. Awesome. And next up's animation. Onward.